I am submitting, they are telling, মানে পাশ থেকে বলছে বাবা কমেন্টও চাই। ম্যাডাম কি বলবো বলুন, মানে আমি বাংলাও বলে ফেলছি প্রভোকেশন।
অ্যাটলিস্ট আমার সেই ক্যাপাসিটি আছে যে আমি এই বয়সে ভিকটিমদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি, টাকার জন্য মাথাটা বিক্রি করিনি ধর্ষকদের কাছে, যেটা স্টেট করে।
প্লিজ আপনার নিজের, আপনারা বাংলায় বলছেন, আমিও আপনাকে বাংলায় বলছি।
কাইন্ডলি ওদেরকে
যে ধরনের মানে অভিব্যক্তি, তাতে তো আপনি নিজেকে, আগের দিনও আমি ওকে বলেছিলাম।
I will not come before the
My lord, I want to retire from this witness. I will not, my lord.
should be insult.
I do not want to.
I have huge respect for the court. That's why I got so much I mean, when he said, I got provoked when he said in the name of the court.
Why are you
I don't have any anger or anything. I have immense respect for the court. What
number 2?
ম্যাডাম একটা কথা বলবো, এই কথাটা বলার জন্য ইনি বললেন প্রফেশনাল জুনিয়র দেখতেও জুনিয়র, এই কমেন্ট
না, না,
কেন করছেন কাছ থেকে দাঁড়িয়ে?
No, my lord.
আমার কানে এলো, আমি তো মিথ্যা কথা বলছি।
Professional junior, তাই ম্যাডাম বললেন সেটা।
আপনারা কি এটাকে কি ভেবেছেন, মানে মাছের বাজার?
security ladyship, as because ladyship, just kindly 2 minutes patient hearing, 2 minutes, I will submit everything. 29th
Use your, I mean, be
Yes,
careful
ladyship.
about the language,
ladyship, yes, I bow down, I will,
and
will.
your tone and tenor.
Ladyship.
Tell me.
Ladyship, on 29th of April 2023, I was beaten up, I was molested in my own chamber, humiliated, everything. Ladyship,
Present.
after 1 year, after 12 to after 13 months, ladyship, all of a sudden, as because I represented first PIL in person petitioner from state of West Bengal on behalf of Sandeskali victim women, the state government started targeting me.
Madam, your issue,
Yes,
Here.
issue pertains to this. Yes,
petition is different from what other matters are there.
it is connected. It is connected to Sandeskali corely. Yes,
Then you take actions. You
yes, I am taking actions, ladyship.
categorically mentioned on the earlier date that I will not go beyond this particular
Yes,
petition.
ladyship, as because I do cases against state of West Bengal, the TMC government is completely against me, ladyship.
That you're the
I need the protection, ladyship, otherwise I will be unable to move before your ladyship in person. My life is the primary concern now. I'm not concerned FIR, ladyship. They, if they want to, they have the power in their hand, they will file 10 more cases, they will make me arrested.
they file
Many cases, ladyship.
file.
Ladyship, there are total 7 to 8 cases, ladyship, against me. Not everything is possible for me to find out because every day they are creating new issues. For the past 2 days, Navanna Abhijan, even I was not even present. Still they are connecting me. Ladyship, to be very, ladyship, continuously, she is continuously talking. It is very much political.
Already handed over. My lord,
It is
everything is-
political. It is very much related to political rivalry. I have to state everything before ladyship.
Okay. I told you these
Ladyship.
things have you taken up in the writ petition? All these whatever
Yes,
you are.
yes. That is the main subject matter which I approached before Supreme Court. Supreme Court ordered that I have reported Supreme Court that I am the Sandeskali counsel. After that, they are taking charge of my personal case. 14 months old charge sheeted. 14 months, ladyship. I repeat.
That is the subject matter of this.
Yes,
full statement.
everything is
Number-
connected. Ladyship, kindly have some patience. I will make you understand detail one A to Z details, ladyship.
Not in this higher pitch.
Ladyship, I
Calm
bow
down.
down for my voice, ladyship. I was a
Calm
classical
down.
singer. That's why my voice tonal is
Fair enough.
little bit higher, ladyship.
Calm down and then
I
see
bow
what
down,
you-
ladyship.
Paragraph number 32, that is mentioned within my writ petition, that the Sandeskali matter was there. Thereafter, they have been much more active against her. That is there on a.
My old parents,
Who are they, by the way?
the TMC goons, the TMC cadres, Deepak Shankar Rai, who have filed a case sitting in Bangladesh, ladyship. He have not even examined by the police, no sign in the FIR sheet, ladyship.
You have taken some steps against that?
I have taken steps before Supreme Court. Supreme Court remanded back to Honorable Calcutta High Court. High Court given me some protection to some extent that not to take any coercive step by the police. That only, ladyship. But ladyship, my life protection have not been granted, ladyship. I want that my life to be go on uninterruptedly. I can profess and practice my profession, ladyship,
enough.
as because
How
I am
are
a socially active citizen. I work for the society. There are several victim women for whom I stand up. I have 40 to 50 victim women for whom I stand up. All the from the NGOs, from many places, ladyship.
you
I
should
beg,
have who is doing what to you?
ladyship,
There must be
the local
something.
political party, have broke down my chamber glass. They have come, they have affixed a letter in my father's residence, where I am the complainant. It is showing that it is a 354 offense,
Have you,
and the
have
whole
you, have you
yes,
filed any?
yes,
complaint?
supplementary affidavit I have filed,
When did you file?
ladyship.
When
I
did that-
again on that day only,
which date?
is on
16.
August 16th, 2024, ladyship.
So there must be some investigation.
Ladyship, I couldn't file it to DG because they are against me. CP, no. For local police, I cannot because the local police is doing this against me, ladyship. Kindly understand the grassroots level, ladyship. How we are living, ladyship. Because in the grassroots level, the local police station is 100 meters from my chamber.
Kindly
You are an
protection.
by profession. Here you are there.
I have approached to Supreme Court CJI. I made an email.
You have to understand that this court has its limitation. You have come up in this writ petition with certain grievances, with
Yes.
certain prayers.
Yes.
Now you are
Kindly look into
stating-
that only. Yes.
You are stating certain other issues which are not the subject matter of this.
Because this is everything, every day new cause of actions are happening, ladyship. Where I will go, where before the court, if I can't, if I can't keep on faith, ladyship, where I'll go, who will protect me? Because ladyship, the Union of India don't have any objection to give me security. At least give me that the respondent, my sole prayer is against the respondent number 1,
The
How
person
come
staying
it
at
has come into play, sir?
trying to divert the court
But
opinion.
out of Bangladesh, that she got enough money, or I do not know. That's why that
So you're confusing
See,
Bangla.
He is only too confused because other than confusion, he cannot win the case.
If you are here to shout, and if you are here to, I mean, every time create a trouble, madam. What is this? Is it a marketplace that you are shouting and creating problems?
Ladyship, the
I am
case is
trying
not-
to help you out.
The case is not about divorce, ladyship. He is trying to
Fair enough.
manipulate
I'm
it.
asking him to explain.
Lordship,
Why are you coming into the midway?
Lordship, can you give me just 2 minutes? I will explain the whole thing.
As of now, there are two issues to be decided.
Yes.
One, Mr. Rai will be present here and he will explain as to why he has mentioned the CID investigation.
yes,
Number two, as far as the supplementary affidavit is concerned, all of you file a reply to it.
Okay.
And again, I will make it crystal clear to all of you that I am not going beyond the subject matter and the prayers of this writ petition. Whatever is the background, you have other forums open. You can go and seek your redressal therein. And this is not a place where you fight with others at top of your voice, madam. I'm listening to you. I'm trying to understand your case so that if required, if the respondent number 1 and 2 are agreeable to it, they will take,
whatever they recommend, I am not.
they will do the, they will take,
If they think yes,
they
put
feel
some
that it is
people, I have to-
required.
state has got no objection.
Because if they are so, I mean, against the state mechanism,
Yes.
if they do not have faith, then if the union, I mean, the respondent is in a position to provide, considering the gravity, the intensity, the severity, then they can do
Let
it.
them explain because why they will. Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
So that is for you to assess.
Yes.
And thereafter, the take the say, I
My
mean,
lord
the
will
court will
decide.
take a
this.
call.
My lord. Go to the next item.
So let them assess the situation. Thereafter, is it all right?
My lord, only thing, my lord,
Yes.
may I only file? I am filing the status report because
What
of
is
the
this? This a
status
transfer
report
petition?
given, my lord will get everything from here. So that my lord can visualize the situation.
May I get a copy of this? Because
Which one?
No, no, no.
আমার কাছে কোথায়? ওখানে দিতে হবে না?
Give them
Oh.
also a copy.
We have not
No,
received.
no, my lord, I have handed over.
No, you have not handed over. You always lie
Then-
before the court.
He is incorrigible. You
Ma'am,
don't even
she-
listen to the court.
Ma'am, he have not served me copy. That I said to him. He has
Just
not.
look at your language.
প্রভোগ করলে তো কটা কপি নেই
মার খেয়েছি। I have been beaten. No?
কি হলো দেখুন
My family is in danger. Definitely, I will. What I'm supposed to, in which way I'm supposed to say or speak. Now I have to learn manners. Manners. Now I have to learn manners. He is not giving me anything. They are harassing.
Sir,
Lordship.
ask your friend to be more polite and be considerate about the
Yes,
decorum.
Lordship, I can understand, but please,
No,
I will request you to consider as because that has happened to my family. You also understand, Lordship.
What are
And
you
they are poking, continuously provoking. Being a senior advocate, provoking.
getting provoked?
I am telling,
They
I am
will
submitting. They are telling. মানে পাশ থেকে বলছে বাবা কমেন্টও চাই ম্যাডাম কি বলবো বলুন মানে আমি বাংলাও বলে ফেলছি প্রভোকেশন
At least আমার সেই ক্যাপাসিটি আছে যে আমি এই বয়সে ভিকটিমদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি টাকার জন্য মাথাটা বিক্রি করিনি ধর্ষকদের কাছে যেটা স্টেট করে
প্লিজ আপনার নিজের আপনারা বাংলায় বলছেন আমিও আপনাকে বাংলায় বলছি
লর্ডশিপ কাইন্ডলি ওদেরকে
আপনার যে ধরনের মানে অভিব্যক্তি তাতে তো আপনি নিজেকে আগের দিনও আমি ওকে বলেছিলাম
Lordship, I will not come before the
My lord,
court.
I want to retire from this witness. I will not, my lord,
Should be insult.
I do not want to.
I have huge respect for the court. That's why I got so much. I mean, when he said, I got provoked. When he said in the name of the court,
Why are you
I don't have any anger or anything. I have immense respect for the court. What
behaving? You think that the court will feel that
leadership?
you have
My behavior can be wrong, but my intentions can never be wrong. My behavior is wrong. I apologize.
post, you keep calm, let him
Yes,
submit.
leadership, I will not come. I will not disturb your leadership from the next day. But leadership, at least give me protection because
Nobody is asking not to come. It is your entire desire whether you will come before the
I
court
bow
or
down,
not.
leadership.
It is not the question of disturbing the court.
Yes,
It is the
leadership.
question of
That
maintaining the decorum of the court.
একটা
You have come here in the capacity
that I
of a
second you, leadership. I second you. I am on your support, right?
capacity of a litigant and not an advocate.
Yes, leadership.
If that be the case,
Yes, yes,
I told you on earlier occasion also,
yes. Yes, leadership.
create that impression.
Yes, leadership. My impression is wrong, but my intentions are never wrong, leadership. He is telling that, okay, commando chai. What he knows that what kind of things I do. Why a senior lawyer is provoking me.
Why will you get provoked?
Leadership, I just want to know when the victim is dead, then it is said that the victim has the fault. When the victim is coming before the court alive, doing for the
I have
society,
asked
then
time
again it
and
is being
again.
told.
I have asked you time and again to lower down your voice and submit.
মাইকটা চলবে মাই লাগবে
Your friend is much more matured.
নট ফ্রেন্ড লর্ডশিপ আই এম দ্য হাজবেন্ড অফ
I don't know whatever relationship you have.
He is
I'm
professionally
not
junior
aware
to
of.
me. He
I
is
don't
also
intend to.
junior
For
to
me,
me.
you
leadership.
are both of you are two litigants. Petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2.
ম্যাডাম একটা কথা বলবো এই কথাটা বলার জন্য ইনি বললেন প্রফেশনাল জুনিয়র দেখতেও জুনিয়র এই কমেন্ট
না, না,
কেন করছেন
ছি,
কাছ থেকে দাঁড়িয়ে
ছি, ছি, ছি।
নো মাই লর্ড
আমার কানে এলো আমি তো মিথ্যা কথা বলছি
জুনিয়র তাই ম্যাডাম বললেন সেটা
আপনারা কি এটাকে কি ভেবেছেন মানে মাছের বাজার
এরকম ভাবে কমেন্ট পাস করছেন একটু আপনি
কমেন্ট
দেখুন
পাস করছে মানে আপনারা কমেন্ট শুনছেন কেন আমি তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না
ঠিক আছে
আপনাদেরকে আমি হেল্প করতে চাইছি
ঠিক আছে
and I don't know sir I really
Any
don't
copy
know
ওটা বলতে হবে ওটা করতে
and they must be quite junior to you and don't make passing comments if at all you have done.
I have no, I did not make any comment. My lord, he is here.
আমরা বলছি ওনার সাথে
So now from the next day onwards I have to keep a divider here probably.
লর্ডশিপ
If at all I need a divider between. I mean this is High Court.
এসো
Lordship, the status report copy we have not received. They have not given now.
Give them a copy of the status report.
কিন্তু দিয়েছিলাম তো।
না তাহলে দিয়ে দাও দিতে হবে।
The
তাই করো।
learned advocate for the petitioner has filed a supplementary affidavit.
নেই আর নেই।
This is on behalf of petitioner number 1, right?
I am petition number 2 in person. He is 1 in person
Now, this has been filed by petitioner number 1.
by herself.
The supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner number 1 in person, we kept on record. A copy of the same has been served upon the other respondents, being respondent number 1 to 13. The learned advocate for the petitioner referred to the order.
Lordship, last order.
Order dated 8/4/2024 in
CRR.
by this honorable court in CRR 1023 of 2024, as well as the communication.
এইটা কি এইটাই পুরোটা তো
Addressed
না
to
এটাই একটু পুরো
learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Howrah Court,
লাস্টে
marked as Annexure P10 to the writ petition, challenging the writ petition, full stop. The learned advocate for the petitioner further submitted that the communication to the Chief Judicial Magistrate Howrah Court on the ground of CID investigation was not directed through an order of this court as aforesaid. Full stop. The learned advocate, sir, you are for the state, right?
Yes, well, Sengupta.
I mean, respondent.
Respondent state, yes.
State.
State and CID.
CID. The CID is respondent number?
Yes. Just a minute.
State of hospital. GM.
Well, 5, 6,
Respondent
And-
states,
2, and 3, sorry.
respondent state.
And the 2, 3.
CBI তো।
So just
Yeah.
give it to
It is CISF. No, sorry, 2, not 2. 3, 5, 6.
sir, just write it in a
Yes, 3. Not just.
small piece of
Yes, yes.
paper and then
3,
you
5,
give it to him.
356 ভালো করে ডাক।
Achha. Good stuff.
Out of
The
these,
learned advocate for the respondent
Art.
state,
Sweet is secretary.
present.
Home.
It is submitted that by the
Why?
notification.
Art, Commissioner of Police.
So what is that notification that you referred to?
Well, at 130.
Page number 134.
Yes. So, no. Just. হয়ে গেল। ইয়েটা কোথায় রাখলাম? Just a minute, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. এই ওই যেটা আমি আরে না আমি যেটা sorry.
So can you give me a copy?
My lord, I have handed over already Police Regulation Code 1, 1943. এইটা দেখান। প্রথমেরটা দেখান তারপরে ওটা। মানে just the
Relevant.
relevant portion to my lord. My lord, first, my lord, that is Regulation Code 1943.
The learned advocate
And Lordship,
for the state.
just one indulgence, I bow down. Can it be recorded that reliance is placed on this judgment that CID cannot take up other investigating agency? I am relying.
আমার
You do it on the next date. It
Yes,
is his submission. You do that on the next date when the hearing will take place. Refer to the police regulations, Bengal, 1943, whereby the CID can on its own
এটা উনি যা
take up the investigation.
এটাও তো ডাইরেক্টর জেনারেল হ্যাঁ
The-
তো দিতে হবে
আচ্ছা স্যার
The learned advocate for the state
আর স্টেটও দিতে হবে তো হোম তো
Is-
দিতে হবে কি বলছো
requested
সব দিতে হবে
3/6 স্যার
হ্যাঁ
to
আর এটা-
inform the learned public prosecutor, Mr.
আর
Debashish
এটা-
Roy, to be present before this court on the next date
11
of hearing to explain as to what prompted him to submit before the coordinate bench concerning the CID, concerning the investigations to be
অক্সিজেন হবে
taken up by the CID West Bengal. The learned advocates for the respondent is to file a reply to the supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner in person before the court on the next date. With regard to the security to be provided to the petitioner number 1. I believe there was an order of coercive steps not to be taken, but there was no embargo on the proceedings of the investigation.
but police because
That's out of context. Let the investigation agency deal with it. This is not within the. You also what to say? I mean, if this is not the forum where a person, if he or she feels aggrieved by certain action, can be prevented from filing cases.
ডকুমেন্ট নাকি রাজুদাকে আনতে বলে
Yes, tell me 2 weeks time, 17th of September.